Hello fellow freelancers, this is a quick video on how to become a freelance translator in 2023. I want to keep it very quick and just tell you the basics of what you need. I have other videos and other places where I go into more depth on each and every point here. But let's go through this. First of all, what do you need? You need a CV or resume. This CV or resume needs to be geared towards freelancing, not towards 9-to-5 permanent jobs. There is a big difference. For freelancing, you need to make sure that every single point in the resume pertains to the actual job at hand, but you don't need to worry about any gaps in your resume because they don't look through for that. One thing I do recommend having is a lot of ways of getting in touch with you. This shows transparency and it makes the client feel better about hiring you online. I also recommend, if you can, having a photo. If you don't have it on your CV, at least have it online where you post your CV. And that brings me to the second point. You need an online presence. This is LinkedIn.com. This is also pros.com or possibly Translators Cafe, something like that. In fact, the more places you can post your profile, the better because people can find you there. However, I would concentrate on 1 or 2 places where you actually try to get all your business. Usually, I recommend LinkedIn and or pros.com, some combination thereof. And here you do want a picture of yourself. Again, this shows transparency. It shows the face behind the name. And this online presence, just make sure you have everything filled out and it looks very professional. This online presence of yours is going to be your website. It's going to be your business card. It's going to be the thing that people see, that prospective clients see when they're looking for you. Point number 3, a cover letter. This is your cover letter that you're going to be sending to prospective clients, whether it's emails, whether it's via pros.com or anything like that. This is a generic cover letter that you have that you can tweak for each job. You can have a couple cover letters. You can have one for each language combination. You can have one for each specialization, etc. But make sure you have at least one cover letter that then you can tweak for each job that you apply for. And number 4 is ratings. You need ratings. I have another video where I talk about how to get ratings on pros.com. Even if you were not hired on pros.com, they make it very easy. So as long as you've performed the translation, you can get a rating for it. And the more ratings you can have in one place, the better it is because prospective clients will see that other people rated you highly and that other people appreciated your work. And so you need these ratings. It's very difficult to get hired if you don't have any job experience that you can prove. You can tell people you've translated a bunch of stuff, but they need to see the proof, and they see that in the ratings and reviews. And pros.com does a very good job of making those prominent. That's why I recommend using that. So in essence, you need the CV, you need online presence, you need a cover letter, and you need ratings. Of course, it'll help to have other stuff like a portfolio and other things like that, but that's already getting more into the nitty-gritty. If you're looking to be a freelance translator, make sure you have those 4 things. Of course, if you do want to get into more detail, into more of the nitty-gritty, I obviously have a course that I do offer, and it's the one featured in this outro.